I'm here today with an Empties video. The last one that I filmed was like months ago, even though you guys just saw it probably a few weeks ago. I have a ton of stuff that I have used up and I need to clear out this bin of empties. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and let's get right into my products I've used up empties video. Okay, I have so many empties. It's like not even funny. Okay, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff and I'm gonna share with you whether or not I'd repurchase it, whether I liked it, all of those good things. I've been filming empties for like the 10 years that I've had my channel. And I always feel like it's a really good way to know if something was good or not, because by the time you finish it, you should know if you like a product. So let's get into it. I have some makeup wipes. There was a few empties, so like I hardly had any makeup wipes. Since Lincoln is born, sometimes I'm just so tired by the end of the night. I don't have the energy to do the full cleansing oil and stuff. So I've been using a little more makeup wipes than normal. But these are the Kirkland Daily ones. I get them from Costco or Amazon. They're my favorite. I've been using them for years, constantly will repurchase. I have quite a few dry shampoos. Again, new mom, I'm going through a lot of dry shampoo. I'm sure that there's more somewhere in here. If I were to keep digging in here, I'm sure I'd find more dry shampoo. So the first two are these Elizabeth and James Nirvana. It's my favorite dry shampoo. It smells amazing. White Nirvana and the bourbon. I have quite a few of these. I will definitely be repurchasing them. It just gives so much volume to your hair and it really does like make it feel nice and clean, absorbs the oil. I love these. So yes, I'll continue to repurchase. It's my favorite. This is actually the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. It's a great volumizer if I do my hair curly or if I have like some good little curls in it. It just kind of like adds some extra volume. This is amazing. So yes, I'd repurchase the Living Proof Full Dry Blast. I've used it for years. We have a big old Dr. Teal's foaming bath salt. This is the one with black elderberry. I love this. It gives lots of bubbles to your bath. I always repurchase those. I enjoy them a lot. I have quite a few little nails here. We have a couple of Kiss Christmas ones. So this pair, really loved that. I'm actually really liking the little Kiss nails. These ones were some ones that I got at TJ Maxx. This nail creations, I just put them on. Then this was another little Christmas set. They were super fun. Here's some red Aspen ones that I really liked. These ones I didn't like. They were really stiff. Like I could not get them. They kept popping off. So these ones I did not like, but the other Kiss ones I really enjoyed. I have a ton, oh, I have more nails. These are static nails. These are one of my favorites, favorite brands. And I do have a link if you guys want to use it. It's just like a referral link that anyone can create. I think you get $5 off your order and I get $5 off my next order. So I had these holographic ones, and then this one is called Toasted Sugar. I really love the static nails. Those are probably like my favorite nail brand. There's so much makeup in here. Okay, let's do a couple of these body washes. This was Christmas Cookies by Bath & Body Works. Loved it. Colleen Rothschild Honey Vanilla Creamy Body Wash. I really enjoyed that. They sent that to me. It smelled really nice, lathered really nice. Very beautiful. Very beautiful wash. Oh, we have another Kirkland wipe, and we have some more nails in here actually. I'm gonna grab those. These ones are static nails in Smoke and Mirrors. These ones were super cool. So I really enjoyed those. And what are these ones? Ooh, these ones are super fun. I bought a couple of these cheetah ones. I really liked those. Those don't fit any of my nails, so that's why you see them in there, because they don't fit any of my nails. And then I love these yellow. These yellow ones are called Sunny. And I think I see another dry shampoo. Yes. This one is another bourbon dry shampoo. This Olive in June, you can get these at Target. These are the ones I just took off my nails, and I love them. They're so cute. So I've definitely purchased a bunch of those. These ones are the Impress with the adhesive. I did not like these. These did not work for me. So I would not repurchase the ones that have the adhesive. I have another dry shampoo. This one is in Rose. This Kenra dry shampoo, I don't like it. I don't feel like it does anything for my hair. So I would not repurchase the Kenra one. I finally finished this Pixie Glycolic Toner. I have a ton of these. I love them. They sent this one to me. It has my name on it. Fantastic, fantastic toner. Definitely would repurchase, but I have like so many backups of them. But it's a great toner if you're looking for a really nice glycolic toner. I feel like it keeps my skin really clear, keeps it brightening, you know. I finished up this Derma E Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner for thinning hair. I really like it. It has a really nice like rosemary scent to it. Feels great on the scalp. Old Spice Timber. This one is the sandalwood one. I like the smell of this one. They have one that's coffee and amber, and I'm trying to find it because it looks like it's going to be amazing. Colleen Rothschild, this is their cleansing balm. I like this, but I'm kind of getting over like where I have to stick my finger in a pot. But it is a nice cleansing balm if you're looking for one. But I kind of like more of the oil ones versus the balm to oil. So I don't know if I'd repurchase it. It is really good. I just am kind of over that method of cleansing balms. You know what I mean? The Summer Friday CC Serum. This was amazing. I feel like I went through it really fast, but I really, really liked it. I'm a big fan of vitamin C serum, so if you're looking for one, I really liked that one. This is my favorite setting spray, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. I have repurchased many of them, so I have a couple backups. Right now I'm using the Hangover RX one by Too Faced, and I like that one, but this one's my holy grail. In the Stars, I love this moisturizer, and I like quite a few of the scents from Bath & Body Works. This was a makeup setting mist from Pixie, but the sprayer broke. So that one is just in the, to get rid of. This eye cream lasted forever. Every time I've talked about it 2 or 3 times because I've repurchased it a few times. It's the Protect and Perfect eye cream. It lasts a really long time and it's really nice and hydrating under the eyes. This is a new Holy Grail serum. It's the Niacinamide Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. It makes your skin so beautiful and so glowy. I have a backup of it. I have a small size. I will continue to repurchase this. It is a fantastic serum. It makes your skin just look so dewy, so glowy, healthy. It's fantastic. So I would definitely recommend that. Okay, this is the type of cleansing product that I like. The Derma Cleanse. I like that it's in a pump. It does a great job of getting the makeup off. I would definitely repurchase this. We have a Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This is a great hydrating primer. I've used it for years. I really enjoy it. I would continue to repurchase it, but I have like 5 of them on backup. The Tatcha Supple Moisture Rich Silk Cream. I really liked this. It is very hydrating. Made my skin feel really like juicy. I think it's called something else now. It smells delish. So I really enjoyed that. I would repurchase it. The L'Oreal Age Perfect Night Moisturizer. This one was also really nice. Would definitely repurchase this. I like the scent. It's very fresh, but it did a really nice job of making my skin super hydrating at night, which I feel like my skin's been really dry lately. It looks like a little shiny and oily at the moment though, as I'm saying that. Let's see here. It's looking a little shiny. I'm so excited. I'm getting Botox here pretty soon, and then my forehead will look nice and glassy and shiny all the time. I feel like it looks so dry right now. All right, this Bliss Niacinamide serum, it was okay, but if I was gonna get a niacinamide one, I would do the Dewdrops by Glow Recipe over that. I have a little eye patches from Patchology. These were a nice little treat. All right, this Replenix Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This was really nice. I got sent this. I felt like it was okay. I don't know that I'd repurchase this. I find that there's other hyaluronic acid products that I like better, but it was okay, but it would not be something I'd go out and repurchase. This Midnight Serum by L'Oreal, I really liked this one actually. Very hydrating, made my skin feel really nice. It'd be something I'd look at repurchasing. This is Replenix Hyaluronic Acid, Niacinamide, and Ceramide Moisturizer. I actually really liked this one. It's very lightweight. I do want something a little bit more hydrating for my skin because I do feel like it's been drier since I've had Lincoln. But it was nice. I don't even know where you get Replenix. It was sent to me and I literally have no clue where you purchase it. This is a great vitamin C. It's the Obagi Professional C Serum. I got this at the Aesthetic Center. It is a very potent vitamin C. It's amazing. And it's like medical grade vitamin C. So I would definitely repurchase that. This is the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I did really like this. The only problem with these containers is it's really hard to get like the last little bit out of the bottom. You can see there's still some in there. I wonder if I can just maybe store it upside down and try to dig it out. It smells really nice. I guess I'll do that. See, I had to do that with the niacinamide one, the dewdrops, and I could kind of get a little bit more out of it, but I really like the Glow Recipe. The Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist, I'm actually tossing this because I've had this for like 5 years. I don't think I'd repurchase this. I like the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray better. I have a couple foundations that I'm tossing because they have gone bad. The La Mer, I've had these for like 6 years. I went to go like try to use it and it's like chunked up in here. So I won't repurchase that foundation. It was nice for the time that I had it, but I like other ones better and that's just way too expensive. The Natasha Denona, I used to love this one too. I have videos actually on both of these. So I will link the La Mer video up here and then I'll link the Foundation X video over here or up here, whichever side it goes on. I used to really, really love this foundation, but it's going bye-bye. I did finish this. I love this foundation. I also have a video on this one. It's the Catrice True Skin. This one's like one of my holy grail foundations. I have to force myself to use other things because this is so good. And this is in Neutral Hazel. It's amazing. I have already repurchased it. A couple powders here. Oh, actually, well, let's do this. This is the Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick. I've used it all up. It broke. I do really like this, but I'm using other ones, so I probably won't repurchase this anytime soon. But if you like a stick bronzer, it is a very nice one. We have a primer, Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. I really like this. It was very hydrating. Probably not something that I would like run out and repurchase, but it was nice. I like the Glow All Nighters Primer from Urban Decay a lot. Okay, we have a bunch of powders. The All Nighter powder, love this from Urban Decay. I love their regular All Nighter primer and the Glow primer, and I love the All Nighter loose powder from Urban Decay too. So I've definitely repurchased this. I've repurchased that and I've bought it in the loose. The Infallible loose powder, this one's one of my holy grails. It makes your skin look flawless. I've already repurchased that. I use the shade Translucent Light Medium. The Wet n Wild powder, this is a nice powder if you want a cheap powder. It's a natural buff. There's nothing wrong with it. I'd probably repurchase it. I have 1,010,000 powders and I like to try new powders. So I won't be repurchasing that anytime soon, but that is like the third one that I bought. So I have repurchased it many times. The Colourpop Pretty Fresh, this is in Light 8. I love this. They recently sent this to me. I feel like I plowed through it pretty quickly. Light 8 is a great self-tanner shade for me. It's a beautiful powder. I would definitely repurchase that too. Is the Pat McGrath. This is what I used for under my eyes for a long time. It's just like it's in the lightest shade. So it's like a white color. I really liked it, but I have other powders that are much less expensive that I will probably repurchase over that. The Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is a beautiful bronzer. It's in the shade 2. You can actually keep the packaging. There's a little bit around the rim, but it was getting really hard to get an even application on my brush. So I don't know if I want to like clean this off and pop it out and then you can just buy the refill. I might just do that because it's a lot less expensive. But it's a beautiful bronzer. Would definitely recommend that. The Derma E Firming Eye Lift. This was a nice eye cream as well. I'm not super picky on eye creams as long as it feels really nice and hydrating. The Milk Flex Concealer in the shade Vanilla. This was nice. It's not my favorite. It's a little drying for me, so I probably won't be repurchasing that. We have some more nails. This one, these ones were really cute. These were the Pink French from Static. My favorite tanner. This is the Bondi Sands tanner. I just love it so much, so I finished 3 of those. Oh, actually, I think did I finish this one or did I decide I just didn't like it? Yeah, I think I decided I didn't like it and it's too light. This is in the Avocado, Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. Not a fan. Didn't like it. Would not repurchase it. This Tatcha Luminous Overnight Memory Serum. It was like a gel serum. It was very interesting. I would not repurchase it though because I didn't really notice much of a difference. Do you guys remember this? Like the Unicorn Essence from Farsali. Mine's so old, so I'm tossing it. I won't repurchase it. I didn't even really use it. Ooh, the Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. Love it. I actually have a full size of it. It just gives a beautiful glow, like lit from within look to the skin. Big fan. I'm finally getting rid of this brush because it's really scratchy. This is the old Sigma brush in the SS numbers. So I've had this for probably before I had Ethan. So maybe 12, 13 years. I've had it for a long time. It lasted me well. Oh, this powder is good. The NYX powder, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I've already repurchased it in medium and in light. Fantastic blurring powder. The Urban Decay Lash Freak, did not like it. Didn't do anything for my lashes except it made me look like I had 4 lashes. CoverGirl Exhibitionist, I love this mascara. I'd repurchase it. The Big Shot, would not repurchase. Didn't do anything for my lashes. It's in the waterproof. The Colossal, did nothing for my lashes, would not repurchase. Laura Mercier Caviar, I really liked that one. I would repurchase that one. This Pacifica Collagen, did not like, would not repurchase, didn't do anything for my lashes. Sky High Waterproof, don't like the waterproof version of the regular Sky High on today, and it's okay. The Lancome Idol, I really liked this one. I would repurchase that. The Full 360, this did nothing for my lashes, by number 7. The Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner I use every day. I use that to do the wing part. I have repurchased. I actually need to buy another one because mine's drying out actually. Really efficient with these and kind of go quickly because I got a lot. Okay, we're coming down to the end. I only have a few more things. The LA Girl Shady Brow, I do not like it. It's too waxy for me. I have a couple, and then once I'm done using them, I will not repurchase. The Revolution Flick, won't repurchase that because I have other ones that I like the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. The Refi pencil, brow pencil, I really liked. I would repurchase that. The e.l.f. Ultimate, I've actually repurchased that brow pencil. The Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid liner, I won't repurchase it because I really like the combo of the Too Faced for the wing and then the Wet n Wild for the rest of mine. I finished this Makeup Geek brown liner that I've been working on forever. I don't even know if they make it anymore. The Brow Stylist Definer, I really liked this in Ash Brown. And then the Chocolate Brownie by Too Faced, won't be repurchasing that, it's too thick. This is a Viva Glam 2, it's a really old MAC lipstick. Tossing it, smells bad. MAC World, finished that. I already have one that's almost gone. And then Birthday Girl from Colourpop. It dried out, but it was really pretty. If they still have that, I would definitely buy that color. That is it, you guys. We went through so many empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!